Hi everyone, I am really excited today because we are talking about a watch that's been creating a quiet buzz lately, the COROS Pace 4. This is the brand newest lightweight sports watch designed for runners, triathletes and fitness lovers who want serious performance without spending a fortune. So without wasting any time, welcome back to Smartwatch Radar. Let's get started with the full in-depth review of the COROS Pace 4. So if you have been following the Pace lineup, you know COROS has always focused on power accuracy and endurance. But the Pace 4 feels like a step into the new generation. And not just because it looks better, it's smarter, faster, and offers some surprisingly premium upgrades that make it a strong contender against much more expensive watches. So let's dive right into everything that's new and what it means for you in the real world use. The first thing you will notice is the design and the display. The Pace 4 finally gets a gorgeous AMOLED screen, and it's a big upgrade from the old MIP display we had before. Colors look sharper, text is more readable even under sunlight, and overall it just feels more alive on your wrist. Despite that, it still weighs just around 32 grams with the nylon strap, which makes it one of the lightest multi-sport watches you can wear all day without even noticing it. The new mineral glass on the top adds a layer of durability, and there's also a new action button alongside the crown that makes navigation quicker during workouts. Moreover, it's a small change but one you will instantly appreciate when you are mid-run or in the gym. Then there is the performance side. Even with the brighter AMOLED display, the Pace 4 brings the push battery life to nearly 3 weeks in the smartwatch mode and roughly 30 to 40 hours of the continuous GPS tracking. That's impressive considering how power-hungry AMOLED panels usually are. It also brings dual-frequency GPS for far more accurate tracking in trick environments like cities or mountain trails, and new optical heart rate sensors that performs consistently across different workouts. So when it comes to sports features, the Pace 4 does not disappoint. You will find all the COROS modes like running, cycling, swimming, and gym profiles. But it also supports advanced performance metrics through COROS EvoLab system. You can see your training load, race predictions, and recovery insights right from your watch. One of the cool new touches is the voice note system. During a workout, you can record quick voice pains or efforts notes, and they will be saved with your activity data. It's genuinely useful when you want to remember how a specific run or climb felt without typing anything later. So everybody's use has also gotten smoother. Notifications from your phone show up instantly, and you can control your phone's music right from the watch. Though it still does not have full onboard music or streaming services yet. There's now flashlight mode that turns the display bright white or red for the night runs. And it's surprisingly handy when you are out early mornings or in low light situations. The strap system is quick release, so you can easily switch between nylon and the silicone bands depending on how you wear it. And of course, it's not the perfect. You won't find offline maps or the full route navigation here. It still sticks to the breadcrumb tracking. There is no contactless payments option and no built-in music storage for the streaming services like Spotify or the Apple Music. But then again, that's not what the Pace series is built for. It focuses on performance, accuracy, and endurance more than smartwatch luxurious. The biggest strength of the COROS Pace 4 is its value. At around $250, it offers a premium display, reliable training metrics, and dual-band GPS that you normally see in the watches almost twice its price. It feels like COROS has found the perfect middle ground, giving athletes what truly matters without unnecessary extras that drain battery or add cost. So here's the bottom line. If you want a lightweight, durable sport watch with the top-tier tracking, excellent battery life, and a serious training tools, the COROS Pace 4 is a fantastic choice. And if you care more about maps, payments, or smartwatch comfort features, you might want to look elsewhere. But for runners, cyclists, and fitness-focused users who simply want accurate performance and the reliability, this one is hard to beat. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand what makes the new COROS Pace 4 special. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Smartwatch Radar, and share your thoughts below. So would you pick the Pace 4 over something like a Garmin, Forerunner, or Sunto? I would love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay active, stay smart. I will see you in the next one.